Hello everybody, Derek here from Addictive Tips, and in this video we are going to be talking about how to get the Opera browser on Linux. So yes, if you didn't know, Opera is still a thing, it still exists, people still like it, and if you want to use it, you just need to go to opera.com. Please check the link in the description as we have a detailed walkthrough that I have written up that you can use to follow along with this video or whatever you need. So the default package that we are going to download is the Opera Debian package. This is good for me because I use Debian, but it's also good for Ubuntu users, Elementary OS, Linux Mint, and anything that's based on Ubuntu or Debian. If you use Fedora, OpenSUSE, or any Linux distribution that uses RPM-based packages, click this button here to download. And if you are an Arch Linux user, you can go to AUR, search Opera, and there is a package available. You'll need to look for the Opera beta. I can't exactly see it in here right now. Hold on. But if you find Opera browser here, you can install Opera beta, and this will build and compile a browser for you to use on Arch. If you do not use any of these Linux distributions, you may need to follow our guide in the article where we talk about how to use deb2targz to convert the Debian package into a installable binary package. It's iffy, but it does work in some ways. Anyways, once you go here, click the download button. I'm going to download it. And also, sadly, there are no snap packages or Flatpaks to use, so there's no universal packaging solution or app images you can use either. So you need to follow the instructions in the article. But once you've got a version of the browser that you'd like to install, just click open, and it will open with your package installer. You can also use the terminal, but in an effort to make things a little bit easier to understand, I am going to use the package installer in this video. But just click the install button. And the Debian package installer, or in some cases, if you're using the Ubuntu Software Center or the GNOME software on another app, or however you install packages on your computer, just click the install button, and the Opera package will go through and it will install. And then from there, you can just type in Opera, as you see I did there, and we can open it up, and we have the new Opera browser. If we want to use it, we can open up new tabs. There are features on the side here, and it's got a bunch of different things to learn from. It's a great browser. It's definitely falling behind a lot of the other ones that we've covered on this channel and on the website, but if you remember using Opera back in the day, I definitely suggest giving it a second go because it still has a lot to offer. Anyways, guys, this is Derek. Just a quick guide on how to install the Opera browser. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next video.